tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos, for those of you who may or may not know. Basically what I do is some cooking on this channel, and today I'm going to be making you, I'm stumbling there, homemade hummus. So without further ado, sit down, relax and enjoy the show. But beforehand, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Also follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well, and enjoy the show. Guys, so here we have, I'm going to be making some hummus, as I mentioned earlier. What I've got, let me explain again what I've got. I've got tahini, brown tahini, olive oil, chickpeas, that's the main source of the hummus, salt, pepper, lime, and I've got this mixer, grinder, whatever you want to call it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see how this works. So what you want to do, get all of that in there, okay? This is already open and you're supposed to mix it, but anyway, so don't make a mess. It's a bit oily. You need to put a bit in. Bear with me guys, this is a bit, I don't want to be messy all over the table. I'm going to put a little bit more, okay? This is very simple actually. Come on. Just going to put a tiny bit more and then move on to the next thing. Right. That is it. That's why I've got a tissue there. Be prepared guys. Okay, now olive oil. Okay. Realistically, you're supposed to measure all of these, but as you know, I don't like to do that. You're supposed to put a spoon of this, salt and pepper, half a teaspoon. This is supposed to put 4 spoons, but the only spoon that I've got is for tasting afterwards. I don't care. So, if you want to do it properly, those are the way to do it. Put some salt in. Okay. Get the pepper out. That's enough. Olive oil, 4 spoons, right? There you go. Leave it as that. What do you do? How does this work? That goes there. And we're locked. You ready? Right, let's have a look, see what's going on inside. It's getting there, but I can still see some bits. So let's try that again. I'm going to try and shake it up a little bit more. Yeah, this isn't the best machine to obviously do it. This is the only thing I could find in the house, so that's why I'm using this. Anyway, there is still some other bits, some big bits in there, but majority of it has been crushed. It's all mixed. So give it a little taste, see if we need to add anything or what we think of the taste really. It's good. Add some more salt. Okay. I'll add a little bit more of this as well. Quite a bit of that. Oh, it's a bit sticky, sticks to the spoon. It doesn't like when I go. Right. Oil it. And there we go. Don't mind me using the spoon again, it's only going to be me eating this, so I'm not fussy, it's my food. Much better. Maybe a little bit more. I like my hummus. I'm going to put this in a plate. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attempt this in front of the camera. Extract what you can from there. Leave that on. Let me just hide the dirty spoon. Right. Here we go, guys. That's your hummus. Ideally, you want to put this in the fridge so it cools down a little bit. You don't want to eat it so fresh, like, you know, give it some time to chill in the fridge, half an hour, 40 minutes, maybe even an hour. But anywho, it all depends on you. Right. Let me get it all out. That's enough. Then you just want to spread it across. It's got some bits in there like I mentioned earlier. You know, like, what's the name? There we go. That's what you do. Right, what you want to do now, where is it? Got some paprika. But first, I'm just going to pour a little bit of olive oil. That's it, not too much, just to make it look good. Get some paprika, sprinkle it. Okay. Sprinkle it, give it that colour. Beautiful. Now, what I'm going to do is go and get a few solid chickpeas and I'll be right back. Got a few solid chickpeas, just place it in the middle there. And oh, not last but least, what's it called? Parsley. Got some parsley. It depends how you want to do it. You could either chop it up or you can put it in as a whole. I personally just gonna put it all in just to give it some colour and just make it look pretty. That's all it is. Not much, no big deal. There you go. Tiny bit more. There you have it. Let me bring up to the camera, see if you guys can see. Oh, you guys can't see. I'll tell you what. There you have it. There is your homemade hummus. Enjoy, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come